The Obama administration is detaining an estimated 1,700 parents and children at facilities in Texas and Pennsylvania. The government greatly expanded its family detention last year in response to the arrival of about 60,000 migrant families.
The Catholic Church really stepped up when the large numbers of unaccompanied minors and family units were coming to our southern border and apprehended there. The bishops had visited detention centers around the country, including all of the family detention centers, and called for the dismantling of family detention in a report written by the Bishops' Conference and the Center for Migration Studies.
A June statement from Immigration and Customs Enforcement said they would continue the practice of family detention, but promised reforms to ensure humane treatment. Are they doing a good job of giving them humane treatment, as ICE has been saying, or what have you been finding in actually talking with these women and children?
I would say that there is no humane way to imprison families. Detention of children and their mothers is not only inhumane, but it's incompatible with a fair and just legal system. They are locked facilities with guards, and these are children and moms we're talking about. The average age of the children at this point is about 6. They have bed checks and person counts. The medical care has been substandard. We've found, little children losing weight, being traumatized. They're already traumatized women and children in these centers, and the detention itself is adding to that trauma for them.
In July, the government was ordered by a federal judge to release the family detainees. The government appealed the decision, arguing that releasing the families could trigger a surge in illegal immigration.
The court has found that you cannot use deterrence. You cannot hold women and children in detention as a means to deter other people from coming to the United States. It is wrong. The Catholic Church says that people should not have to migrate. At the same time, they have a right to migrate if they need to for protection or other reasons.
The California District Court judge also rejected the government's arguments and last week repeated her order to release the families within 60 days.
We believe in order to comply with the judge's order, they will need to be released. We are calling on the government to not appeal. We have an obligation to protect people, and I think that is very much a Catholic thing, and it's something that we should be proud of as Catholics, and it's something that we should demand from our government.
Though the family detention centers are far from New York City, Ms. Atkinson says that New Yorkers will play a part in helping the families once they are released.
Well, New York actually has is a state that's receiving some of the largest numbers of the families coming from the detention centers. So you will certainly have an opportunity to be a welcoming community to the women and children who are coming. I think it's also important for people to remain educated about the issue and reach out to your member of Congress if you hear talk about, negative immigration bills coming out, because these will impact these families as well.
Reporting for Currents, I'm Konrad Aderer.